Well, ahead of Prime Minister's foundation stone laying ceremony for Veer Savarkar's college, the Congress student wing NSUI has urged him to name the college after former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh. So let us take you through what has been mentioned in this letter that has been written by NSUI, that is National Students Union of India, that is the student wing of the Congress party, to the Prime Minister. They've mentioned that you are set to inaugurate college named after Savarkar. That is today. This is mentioned in the NSUI letter. Name this college after ex-Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh. This first demand that has come from NSUI. Dedicated college will be a fitting tribute to the former Prime Minister. Remember, Dr. Manmohan Singh passed away on December 26, 2024. And after that, this is in fact, a demand that has come from the student wing of the Congress party. The next statement is that ex-Prime Minister's initiatives revolutionized our nation's education system. That has been mentioned. Naming institution after Dr. Singh will inspire generations to come, is what has been mentioned. Government must also recognize Dr. Singh's unparalleled contribution to the nation. In fact, three main demands have been put forth by NSUI. Firstly, that this particular college that Prime Minister is going to, in fact, inaugurate today should be named after Dr. Manmohan Singh. There should be a central university that should be named after him, and inclusion of in fact, his life's journey as a part of the curriculum. So, crossing over to my colleague Teshu, who joins us live in the broadcast with more details. Teshu, the Prime Minister today is going to inaugurate this institution in Delhi University that will be named after Veer Savarkar. Firstly, give us details about that and also take us through the war of words as the Congress party has objected to this.
Well, you see, there are a number of projects that Prime Minister Modi is going to inaugurate, and as far as in the field of education is concerned, then let me tell you that two campuses, East and West campus of the Delhi University, along with that a college whose name is Veer Savarkar, on which there has been a massive controversy. That foundation stone is to be laid today by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the national capital. However, talking about the politics that is making round as far as this entire controversy is concerned, then the Vice Chancellor of Delhi University, Professor Yogesh Singh, has already clearly mentioned that the decision was taken in the year 2021, but now it has finally been implemented. And not just that, but he has also mentioned clearly that naming the college as Veer Savarkar will be sending a positive message to the students that that Savarkar was someone who sacrificed his life for the country. He was a freedom fighter. He had a great history. And the Vice Chancellor also further mentioned that he is pained by the kind of statements that he had to see and witness by a group of section who considers Savarkar as a Deshdrahi. Now, talking about what Congress party has to say, you see, Congress party, this is not for the first time when it comes to Savarkar, is criticizing the move, or in fact earlier also we have seen that while there was a syllabus introduced in the Delhi University with regards to Savarkar, Congress party also had criticized then, and in fact not just that, but they have also called that the Delhi University is working under the behest of the BJP, the central government, and not just that, but is also inclined towards a particular ideology. But interesting to see is that what the other allies of the India bloc are saying. Remember that Shiv Sena UBT we just heard, and you have also rightly mentioned that the Shiv Sena UBT has demanded Bharat Ratna for Savarkar. However, BJP has slammed Congress party for the kind of statements that they have been making and lauded the efforts that have been made by the Delhi University. However, today the inauguration is going to take place in afternoon, and the foundation stone of the college and the campuses will also be laid. We'll have to see that how it again turns into a massive political war of words as far as this entire issue is concerned.
Well, absolutely. So the Prime Minister is all set to inaugurate this institution today, but India bloc is clearly divided on that.